guys, welcome to another video. So as you can see, we've got a parcel today that we're going to take a look at from Temu. Now those of you that's not heard of Temu, Temu is an online marketplace and it is super affordable. Now if you've never downloaded the Temu app before, then you are in for some massive discounts, let me tell you. So I'm going to leave a link pinned in my comments. If you click on that link and download the Temu app to your device, you will get a massive £100 coupon bundle to spend on Temu. And if you place an order at the checkout, pop in my discount code, which is also going to be pinned in my comments, and you will save a huge 30% off your whole first order. So that is well worth taking advantage of, guys. Anyone that is a little bit nervous about Temu, a little bit worried, they've heard some bad stories about Temu, I just want to put your guys' mind at rest. I've now had about six orders from Temu, and not one order has gone missing. Never have I had the wrong items in my order. I have had an item turn up. I ordered a pair of earbuds and one of them wasn't working properly. But I got a refund on it straight away. There was no questions asked. So anyone that is a little bit hesitant about ordering off Temu, you have got no worries whatsoever. I know a lot of people that order off Temu and I've not heard one bad story yet. So I think what the problem is, you only really hear about the horror stories and the stories where things go wrong. You never hear about the good experience. So I think it's nice to be able to put that out there, because all I've ever had from Temu is a good experience. All my orders have arrived super fast, even over Christmas. I think over Christmas it took 8 days. All the other orders that I've had arrived in less than 8 days. So over Christmas, 8 days, I don't think that's bad at all. If you've never heard of Temu before, like I said earlier, Temu is an online marketplace. They literally sell everything, guys. Everything from household stuff to pet supplies, automobile stuff, electrical items, beauty stuff, clothes, shoes, literally everything. And like I said earlier, everything is so cheap. I've ordered a few clothing items off there. They've turned up and they've been really good quality. All the nail stuff I've had off there has been really good quality. The charms are really shiny, super sparkly. I've not had one bad item off there. So shall we just get straight on into it and have a look what we've got? I'm just going to pop the bag to the side of me and I'm just going to pull things out and show you. Like I normally do, I shall leave the price that I paid in the bottom left hand corner of the screen. I shall also leave the links to all of these products in my description box below. So if there is anything that I show you today that you're interested in, all you've got to do is click the link and that will take you straight on over to that item. So let's get cracking, shall we? First up, we have got 500, I think these are the free edge tips. Can't actually remember. Yeah, so these are the, I think they're XXL transparent free edge tips. So these are the tips that go on the end of your natural nail like that, guys. Look how long they are. They're so long. Well long. Can't wait to do some long sets with those. These are, I think these are the non-Seco, if I remember rightly. So they haven't got much of a Seco. Let me try and find a bigger size so you can see a little bit better. So yeah, I think these are the non-C-curve. They have got a little bit of a C-curve, but not a massively deep one. So you glue them on the end of your natural nail like that. Oh, they're so long. I can't wait to do a long set with those. So these come, I think these are 0 to 9, if I'm not mistaken. Let's just double check. Yep, so these come in sizes 0 to 9 and you get 500. They were a really good price as well. Super cheap. I have had a few tips off Temu before and I've been really happy with them. So we shall definitely have to give them a try very soon. Oh, we've got some more of these silicone shapes. So I don't know whether you've seen any of my previous Temu hauls, but I bought some of these before, but in different shapes. So in these ones, you get love hearts in all different sizes. You get Little bows in all different sizes. These look cool. I can't wait to try these little snakes. Look at those. They're going to look well smart on a really long set. You've got butterflies. Again, you've got different sizes. I think the smallest one is this one. Yeah, so you've got the bigger one and then a smaller one there. Little ghosties. We've got stars, crosses, and little flowers. So these are for using with jewel forms. So what you do is, look, you stick these in your jewel forms like this. You apply your product, whether it be gel, whether it be polygel, in the jewel form and around that cross. Cure it, and then you pull that cross out and it will leave that cross empty. Then you can go in with a different colour polygel, different colour gel. I've also seen people use pigment powder, you know, like Aurora pigment powders and stuff. There's so many different things you can do with these. Glitter. Can't wait to have a little play with those. These are the other shapes, what we got in one of my previous hauls. Got flowers, but they're slightly different. We've got stars, butterflies, little swirls, circles, squares, diamonds, rectangles. So yeah, I did show these in a previous haul. If anyone wants the link for those, if you go to my last Temu haul before this one, you'll find the link to those there. Oh, these are for jewel forms as well, guys. Now, I did show some of these in a previous Temu haul as well. I think it might have been the last Temu haul. Yeah, I think it was. And they was absolutely rubbish. They was like, you know the stickers that you get in press-ons? They was more like that. These are proper silicone. You can feel the difference straight away. These are silicone, and they need to be silicone because I did try and do a set using the other ones that I got, and yeah, what a mess that was. I made a tragic mess of those. I mean, I did salvage them. I did manage to salvage them, but this is meant to be like a hack, an easy option to do nail beds with polygel and jewel forms, but it certainly was not a quick process using them other ones. As I was trying to rip them up, because these are reusable as well, as I was trying to pull them off the jewel form after curing my polygel, they was just ripping to pieces, and no way you could reuse them. Not a chance. They was stretched, they was ripped. So these are the proper ones, guys. If anyone is looking for proper, I think they're called dual system French tabs. If you're looking for the proper ones, these are the proper silicone ones. Like I say, I shall leave the link for them in my description box. Next up, we have got some rings. Oh, look at all these, guys. I cannot believe how cheap these were as well. I hardly got any silver rings. I've got loads of gold ones, but I haven't got many silver ones. Now, I've bought these for my practice hand for when I'm taking my Instagram pictures and stuff of nails that I've done. Well, not just for my practice hand, for me as well, I guess. But there's loads there to choose from, isn't there? There's some that are a bit naff, a bit rubbish, but there's some really pretty ones there as well. I like them. They're cute. So I got 23 rings in there, guys. 23, you know. We've got another ring. Oh, this is cute. Wait till you see this. Guys, look at that. How cute is that? I love that. That is adorable. Really, really unusual, isn't it? Love it. And we've got some nail charms. So you get 10 of these. Look at those. Again, they look really, really good quality. And look at the back, how curved that back is, guys. Can you see? I don't know if you're going to be able to see that. It's really, really curved. So that is going to hug the nail so nice. Look at that. It hugs the nail beautifully. Oh, they're really cute. I like them. Really pretty. Then we've got some light pink crystals. Do you know what? I really needed some light pink crystals for a set recently. And I didn't have any just plain light pink crystals. I've got light pink AB. But yeah, they needed to be just plain light pink. Look how shiny they are as well. They look really good quality. And they're glass as well. This is what I was saying earlier, guys. Everything that I've had off Temu has been really, really good quality. Right, we're down to the last item now, guys. But it is a super exciting one. I've saved the best till last, definitely. So this is a nail stamping starter kit. In the box looks like that. So you've got 4 stamping polishes, which are mis-shearing, 7mm of each. You've got a mini jelly stamper. Feels nice and sticky. You've got the scraper. And you get all of these stamping plates. Wait until you see these. Now, I promise, guys, I am going to do a video on the Temu stamping plates. I've said this so many times. And then after I put my Temu video out, I keep forgetting. I'm so sorry. But now I'm definitely going to have to do a testing Temu stamping plates. Because their stamping plates are so cheap. So I'm dying to see how well they work. So we've got this one. I love these autumn leaves. Got this one. This one. I like this as well. That's really cool. Oh, look at that one, look, with the reindeer. That's cool. I was expecting these plates that are going to come in this kit to be absolutely rubbish. But there's some really nice plates there. I'm trying not to blind you guys, sorry. Isn't there? They're really, really nice plates. Love this wave, that's cool. Live free, love it. Aloha, love it. Really, really nice. We've got like different textures. That's quite cool. Oh, I love this one. Look at this. St. Patrick's Day plate. So cool. Love that. Love that. Lucky. That's a really cool plate. Look at that tree, look, with the clovers on. Love it. Well smart plate. And then lastly, we've got this one. We've got like oranges. We've got flamingos. Pineapples. Palm trees. Again, really cool plate. So yeah, I am well happy with all of them that you get in this kit. Well happy. So, like I said, I am definitely, I promise guys, I am going to do a video testing Temu stamping plates. Because I've had some really nice plates off there. Actually, have I got them to hand? If I have, give me 1 second. If I've got them to hand, guys, I'll show you the plates what I've had off there so far. Right, so, I've had this butterfly one. I've had this one. This is really cool. Look at this sea life one. Full Beauty 06. Some really cool ones on there. Some sweater print ones. These are really cool. And as you can see, I've not even removed the blue film over them. So I've not even used them. I really need to get using these. I've only ever done stamping a couple of times. But when I have done it, I've really enjoyed it. So I've definitely got to do more of it. All different like material prints. Some Christmas ones. Bit late for them now. They're going to have to come out next year now. Got some really nice Christmas ones. Look, I've got this one as well. Finger Angel MC09. Look at that one. It's really hard to show you it without blinding you. Got this one. All different like creatures on it. Insects and snakes and all sorts. Even a bat over here, look. So cool. And then this one as well. All different animal print. So yeah, like you can see, I have I had quite a few off there now, and I still don't even know what they're like. So, promise I am going to do a video on that this week. I'm even going to leave these out on my desk so I don't forget. So that is everything for my Temu nail haul, guys. Like I said at the beginning, I shall leave all the links to the products that I showed you today in my description box below. New users, don't forget to take advantage of that £100 coupon bundle and that 30% off your entire first order. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.